But the moment a fisherman gets that smell,
हाँ, he just goes.
exactly.
मिल गया.
किधर से आ रहा है?
All that nice cake tobacco that you've been smoking, and I'm saying, wow, क्या मस्त है. You don't smell like a burning tire anymore. That's actually whale shit, bro.
He's the one who got Justin Bieber into the world. Like he produced
Fucking
Justin
second
Bieber's
mistake
first.
this is of yours, Ashar. Bastard.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this. Suprabhat.
Suprabhat.
Whatever time of the day, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the 14th episode of the Radical Measures podcast. Yes, things have changed around us.
Yeah.
As you can see, there have been some budgetary, monetary changes.
Yeah.
Yes, we have gotten the memo. There are some cuts that have happened in the budget,
Yeah.
and we cannot afford extra cameras.
We are being more responsible than our Finmin. Right
Fiscally
now.
responsible.
Fiscally responsible.
Yes.
Fiscally conservative.
Yes. The setup still looks amazing.
Yeah, of course. This is so cool, dude.
This looks perfect. And
It makes you feel like overdid कर दिया हम लोग.
हाँ, मतलब थोड़ा
हो सकता था अच्छा.
हो सकता था. हम लोग मतलब we gave a taste of what it can be.
Yeah.
You know, that is what we
वो
saw.
प्रीमियम वर्जन था.
Exactly.
तो अभी कंटिन्यू करने के लिए प्लीज सब्सक्राइब.
और सब्सक्राइबर्स बढ़ेगा तो अपना प्रोडक्शन
जाएगा.
बजट भी अच्छा होएगा.
हो जाएगा फिर.
And then it's going to happen. But I'll tell you why. The moment we ended up facing this budgetary cut,
हाँ.
okay, I immediately felt like we are doing something wrong. That there are many sources in this world to get money.
Yeah. It's and surprising sources.
Many sources, surprising sources. I, for example, read the news and realized that there is some way we can actually buy 4 to 5 cameras easily.
Yeah.
In fact, if we find
by
the
by
thing-
just taking long walks on the beach.
if we find the thing that I'm speaking about, that
Yeah.
I'm going to speak about, I think we would be able to hire Nolan
Yeah.
to shoot our podcast
Yes.
episode.
For
That
sure.
That is the level to which.
Every week he'll come bunk over here.
Oh, yes.
And live with us.
There are moments when we look at our own bank balance
Huh.
and then we think to ourselves, why is it that we don't have ambergris?
Huh.
Ambergris as
Yeah,
a
sounds
word.
very posh, no?
The moment you hear this word, you realize इसमें पैसा है.
हाँ.
You know, there is money over here.
Yeah.
And to clarify what I'm speaking about when I mention ambergris, whale vomit.
That's still politically correct. It's also whale shit.
It's both of those
It's
things.
both those things. You can't tell.
I read in the news that a smuggler was trying to smuggle around 5 kilograms of ambergris.
Yeah.
Was caught in Mumbai.
Yeah.
It is the third or the fourth case to
Yeah.
happen in recent times.
Yeah.
With the same product with ambergris. And for 5 kilograms, the worth in the black market was 5.93 crore rupees.
See? And you wanted to go into KBC.
even if I remove the 92 lakhs बाद
Yeah,
में
yeah,
ऐसा
yeah.
रखेगा फिर भी per gram
Yeah.
कितना होता है 1 लाख
1 lakh. मजा आया. जल रहा है with your 9 to 5 नौकरी and whatnot.
I think we should just go to Bombay Docks tomorrow.
Just stand.
Just get on the boat
हाँ.
and search for whale shit. It seems to be the best.
Is this whale shit? No, it's dolphin shit, bro. Let's just
This
figure
is
that
just
out.
an example.
हाँ.
It has been found everywhere.
हाँ. all throughout
And
the world.
why does it have such a huge rate, like such a huge MRP
Yeah,
price tag?
Because it's a very rare thing, a very rare component
It's
in
whale
perfumes. Huh, it's
It's
whale
whale shit, so it's difficult to find. It's not like, shit that you find easily.
No.
Not dog shit.
हाँ.
Nothing of that sort. This is whale shit. तो एक तो पानी में मिलेगा, ocean में मिलेगा.
हाँ.
Or
Maybe
if
it
they
has
come close,
to go through like decades of transformation, not just whale shit. It needs to transform.
it needs to stay afloat.
Processed, yeah.
In the ocean, the
Yeah,
ocean
yeah.
processes it. And then once the fishermen get it, then they sell it to cosmetic companies,
Yeah.
makeup, perfume.
Tobacco, fragrant tobacco also. Yeah, all that nice cake tobacco that you've been smoking, and I'm saying, wow, kya mast hai. You don't smell like a burning tire anymore. That's actually whale shit, bro. That's probably whale shit.
Damn, dude. And you know what? That is what makes it smell better.
Yeah.
So whale shit
Yeah.
is used by human beings
Yes.
to smell better.
Yeah. Rub it over and you'll get.
The things we have taken from that animal.
Oh yeah. Oil liya usse.
Yeah.
Whale oil liya.
If you look into history, we had massive ships for whaling.
Yes.
साबुन बनाता था अपन
हाँ.
उससे. Whale blubber से साबुन
फैट
बनाता था.
वगैरह उसका कहाँ का यूज होता, कैंडल वैंडल भी बनाते थे ना उससे.
Everything.
Everything. Scented candle was that. And
They basically looked at a whale and they had that
shopping supermarket वाला feel.
that clouds part and
हाँ.
sunlight comes
हाँ,
and
हाँ.
all the fishermen like, अरे रे सब सेट है अभी
हाँ.
सब सेट है.
अभी घर पे
मेरा
जाने को
बेटा
मजा
लोग
आएगा.
बेटी लोग सबके लिए फ्रॉक खरीदेगा.
डूड आधा चीज उसी से बना के शादी का दहेज दे देगा. रेडी फॉर
नहीं वो एस्किमो लोग में एस्किमो लोग में ऐसा
चलो काटना चालू करो.
फ्रिज में रखता है वेल खाने के लिए.
व्हाट फ्रिज इन एस्किमो लैंड?
बाहर फ्रिज मतलब
बाहर,
गड्ढा,
yeah.
हाँ बाहर बना है वो.
Oh,
I-
dude.
Just imagine how it looks. I've seen the photo of it.
हाँ.
Okay, you will also be able to see the photo, all right?
It's a rock.
It's a weird brown.
हाँ.
It's like
It,
it
you can
stinks.
tell it's shit. हाँ.
It stinks.
हाँ.
By the way, from all accounts.
Hmm.
But the moment a fisherman gets that smell,
हाँ. He just goes.
exactly.
मिल गया.
किधर से आ रहा है?
Eh,
घुमा ए.
The spending your life saying fish is everything, and then the ocean gives you the one thing, and like, yeah, it's not fish that is required.
And that is what makes you so happy.
Huh.
Just as an example, you guys know Yemen, the country that nobody cares about.
No.
You know that country which was screwed up even when Afghanistan was seeing few better days.
Screwed up is like the default mode of Yemen.
Yemen.
Yeah.
At the moment,
They are
oh God,
always that way.
feel bad for. I'm glad I'm not in Yemen.
You're
Let me
glad you're not in any country in general.
No. Then there are some countries that I
You
look
want to
at.
be, but yes.
You know, Amsterdam.
Amsterdam.
You know, like
We've
other
always
nice
spoken about it.
countries.
We'll go into the cafe and be like, table lagao. That's what. Anyway, coming back to Yemen.
Yeah.
But Yemen is a fucked up country. Like,
And the fishermen,
Huh.
it's a coastal country.
Huh.
Fishing is a big part
Yeah,
of it. And a fisherman in Yemen found the biggest load of ambergris.
yeah.
Like
They
he
just found-
just was thinking, cha-ching,
Yeah.
cha-ching.
Either
He saw that and he basically while selling it na
Huh.
to either Maybelline or whoever, like whichever big
हाँ,
company like Paris वगैरह से कोई तो ऐसा खरीदने को
हाँ.
आए रहेगा ऐसा, you know, they must have sent like a chartered flight
yeah.
to take like, because it was 100 kgs or something.
Yeah.
More than that.
He found it on a whale. Like there was a whale that got beached. He cut it open and then removed that 100 kilos or whatever. I got like 80 crore or something out of there. Some mad figure.
He must
got
have
out of
just
it.
written to that company people
हाँ.
also. मैं ambergris के साथ आ रहा है. तुम लोग मत आओ. सिर्फ plane
I am
भेजो.
sitting on it throughout the flight.
हाँ, मैं आ रहा हूँ उधर.
मैं आ रहा है.
And if you find a whale
Hmm.
and you realize the monetary value within it,
Yeah.
you will believe in God.
Of course. That
Suddenly
is-
you will be like, अरे ये तो भगवान ही कर
का
सकता
दे
है.
नहीं है dude. और float होके तेरे पास आ रहा है.
आया. मैं
There are
ढूंढ-
few things that come to you like that which are so awesome.
I have not gone to search for it.
No.
It has just come to
It
mind.
just came. Like abhi sea view bungalow makes sense.
Just in this scenario,
हाँ.
giving an example,
हाँ.
how a whale is giving you money.
हाँ.
Like that, when it comes to Florida.
हाँ.
Florida is well known for its party culture,
हाँ.
drugs वगैरह तो ओहो मतलब कोकेन काउबॉयज का डॉक्यूमेंट्री उधर
Yeah,
से ही
yeah,
बनता है. And from time to time,
It was
because
the landing strip for Pablo Escobar. No.
नहीं वो तो है ही.
हाँ.
But because it's a port city,
हाँ.
a lot of drugs get smuggled through waterways.
True.
More than anything else.
हाँ.
Because वो logistical nightmare हो जाता है.
हाँ.
क्योंकि तू carriages देखेगा कभी. It is, you know, those how many like thousands, lakhs of just boxes.
Just floating.
All नहीं पोर्ट पे तू इमेजिन कर.
हाँ, okay.
पोर्ट पे
हाँ.
ओके तू जब देखता है बॉक्सेस रहता है ना कैरेज जो ट्रक
वो,
वर्क पे पीछे
हाँ,
लगा रहता है
वो
बड़ा वाला
containers ना, shipping containers, हाँ,
करेक्ट शिपिंग कंटेनर्स
Yeah.
सॉरी
क्या है ये? कितना मेरे को बॉक्स बोला, क्रेट बोला, लाइक मैं इतना सोच रहा है
एंड
bro.
इन माय हेड आई एम जस्ट लाइक अरे समझ
We
में क्यों नहीं आ रहा है
we
इसको.
both looked at each other and were like, ये कैसा retard है? We just having
both
that.
of us
Yeah,
both of us were doing
thinking
that
the
for
other
each
person
other
is retard.
कैसा है तू क्या बोल रहा है शिपिंग कंटेनर्स द वॉल्यूम ऑफ इट मेक्स इट इजी फॉर स्मगलर्स बिकॉज पकड़ा जाएगा तो मैक्सिमम तेरा 2% 5% पकड़ा जाएगा बाकी का तो निकल जाएगा
हाँ.
ऐसा टाइप रहता है. मायामी इज ऑल्सो पोर्ट सिटी
True.
ऑल्सो इट्स साउथ
हाँ.
so it's closest to
Closest
Mexico.
to this, हाँ.
तो वो लोग सबमरीन वगैरह भेजता है.
Oh
Drug
shit.
lords buy submarines.
Oh shit.
Not like high end.
हाँ,
ऐसा
हाँ.
मतलब extreme ऐसा.
हाँ, of course not.
बड़ा क्रू वगैरह,
वो
यूनिफॉर्म वगैरह वो सब नहीं
वो हाई
रहेगा.
एंड वाला बेचारा क्या मैनुअल को चलाने को भी नहीं होएगा.
ऐसा मतलब बनियान वगैरह पहन के 2-3 जनी है. ऐसा सबमरीन छोटा सा लीक हो रहा है स्क्रू ऐसा.
बीच वाला बोला ड्राइविंग कौन कर रहा है बे.
वैसा वाला सबमरीन. And from time to time this submarine leaks
Yeah.
and drowns.
Oh.
And from time to time, if you're living on the beach or are a fisherman, you will just come across
Yeah.
20, 30, 60 kilograms of cocaine
हाँ, just came to you.
wrapped up in plastic.
हाँ.
मस्त पे के gift wrap किया है.
Yes.
And they just come across it. There was a family which went fishing and they came across like 60 kilograms of cocaine. And they had kids on the boat. Okay, they had legit bacha log. And you can just YouTube it, Google it. We'll also put up a link or a card because it is
हाँ, कुछ
hilarious.
तो करेंगे वो लोग.
3 बच्चा लोग हैं.
हाँ.
एक लड़का 2 लड़की लोग
हाँ.
और माँ बाप.
हाँ.
ठीक है. तो फोटो में 2 लड़की लोग ऐसा ड्रग्स लेके ऐसा फोटो खींच रहा है. पीछे लड़का है छोटू सा ही
हाँ.
सनग्लासेस पहन के ऐसा.
मैं रैपर है बेंचोद.
मेरे को मेरा जिंदगी का
हाँ.
मिल गया.
This is how fate finds you.
I have realized my profession came
ये
calling to
passion
me.
है.
Imagine now you go to buy drugs. Hypothetically, you go to buy drugs
And it's a
and there's
family-run
just 3
business.
kids. And there are 3 kids.
Oh dude, this reminds me, एक दिल्ली में this happened. This guy ran a drug operation for 30 years. Okay, cops and all knew, but they just didn't know how he was running it. The whole family was involved. Like बच्चे लोग 5 साल में जैसे तू धनिया वगैरह खरीदने जाता है ना, ये बंदा बोलता है कि जाके ड्रग्स डिलीवर कर. बच्चे लोग को बुलाओ.
ये घर में बच्चे लोग को होमवर्क 2 जगह से आता है.
हाँ, yeah.
एक स्कूल से और एक घर से.
And say no to everything. Deny everything.
बचपन से ही मैट्रिक सिस्टम पे ध्यान दिया है. ग्राम, किलोग्राम,
हाँ.
पाव,
तोला
सब में
वगैरह.
कितना?
कोई तेरे को मेंटल मैथ शुड बी स्ट्रांग बिकॉज नो वन शुड फ्रिकिंग शॉर्ट चेंज यू.
ऑन द स्पॉट कैलकुलेशन आना चाहिए.
और कुछ भी लिखेगा हैंडराइटिंग अच्छा होना चाहिए क्योंकि घर में सबको समझ में आना चाहिए. अकाउंट्स वगैरह.
All sorts of people.
This is how it leads to education.
That family got into that business.
हाँ.
The Yemen guy moved.
हाँ.
And it just made me think the amount of things
हाँ.
we as people, as human beings, just take from animals.
Yeah.
Just take.
ये मेरे को अच्छा लगा. Who?
I
Whole
don't-
of me? No, that one part of you that I'm going to kill you for.
I don't like the way I smell,
हाँ.
so you die. that is
खत्म.
that is basically what you're telling. No,
Yeah.
you're killing a whale,
Yeah.
a magnificent creature.
Yeah. जो ऐसा जाके तेरा जब ऐसा ब्रेक
They
करता
are
और नीचे आता है.
known to be intelligent enough to save human beings from sharks.
हाँ. Oh.
That is, it is a documented fact.
Oh, they do that.
Surfers have found themselves to be warned. There was this deep sea diver who does research and whatnot, and she's in crazy shape and she goes free diving, like to
Yeah.
swim with, not sharks, with whales. So she was following this one particular whale. Okay, in the ocean, and she was diving, and she was on this paddle board. वो छोटा सा surf board type रहता है ना, ऐसा मजा आने के लिए ऐसा paddle लेके. She was on that, and there's a whale beside her. And she's goes into dive like in the water, to chill with the whale. And the whale just lifts her up on his flipper.
Oh.
And then in 2 seconds, 3 seconds, she sees like the
Fins of the shark.
of a massive tiger shark.
Oh shit.
And the whale is just like,
बाजू.
नहीं अभी नहीं, 2 मिनट रुक बेटा, अभी नहीं. That is what the whale did, and the whale saved her, and there have been documented cases of it. Such an intelligent animal we kill because maja smell like, I don't want to smell like myself. I want to smell like something else. I have seen I've gone to palaces, old Maharaja palaces and whatnot, and I have seen ashtrays. If you ever go to Shahu Maharaj's palace or any palace of any king, queen.
ये मजा हर कोई किंग करता है.
हाँ, किंग लोग का हंटिंग का ट्रिप ही अलग था. मतलब ऐसा इस पे हाथी पे बैठ के गन लेके उड़ाएगा. दैट इज क्यों? क्योंकि बोर हो रहा है. बोर हो रहा है, बहुत टाइम से अंदर ही बैठा है महल में.
हाथी को ट्रॉमा देता है रुक में.
और हाथी हाथी उसको लेके जाता रहेगा बाहर, सोच के चल तेरे को घुमा के लेके आता है, बोर हुआ है ना तेरे को घुमा
नहीं, हाथी
के, ये देख वो देख मेरा दोस्त शेर, बुलाता ना मैं उसको, ए इधर है ये बंदे से मिल, और सीधा नजदीक
ये
आया,
खाना देता है
और सीधा नजदीक आया वैसा ढश, बोला अरे क्या किया तू? I came across so many ashtrays made out of elephant legs, rhino legs, leopard legs, whatever they hunted, they put the head on display, ऐसा मस्त, ऐसा हैं करते वक्त ऐसा वैक्स करके दांत
वो
भी,
लास्ट चीज
हाँ आँख वाँख पे ऐसा पॉलिश मस्त ऐसा रिफ्लेक्शन दिखना चाहिए इतना, वो लगाएगा ऊपर, और फिर एस्ट्रे बनाने का है, वो हुक्का पीता है, कोयला वोयला रखने में, उसके लेपर्ड का ऐसा पंजा, लाइक दिस इज द क्लॉ, इट्स लाइक दिस एंड दे हैव कट इट हियर एंड दे हैव पुट लाइक अ प्लेट, टक so
Robert.
so it's just an ashtray with an elephant leg or an animal leg, and all I could think was, what if the elephant or the animal and whatnot, okay, is just not dead,
Yeah.
but it's getting up like unconscious, it's getting up in the forest somewhere and then find, पैर किधर है bro?
No, it just goes बच गया, and they're like, ah! Humans are not that bad.
हर एक रूम में एक अलग जानवर का, but this is going to come, I think, full circle. We are going to get screwed up. Planet of the Apes is going to happen. मेरा इधर बहुत बंदर लोग हैं anyways. I'm going to be enjoying it. I've already seen मेरे भाई के साथ already हो गया एक बार. अभी वो बीच में आगरा है किधर तो गया था. तो there the monkeys, a lot of monkeys are there apparently. And one of the monkeys stole his glasses and then wore it and then returned it only after the monkey got fruity from him. So it's like a scam.
Yeah.
You know, the fruity wala and the monkey are in a tag team.
Yeah.
वो लोग का टीम है, तो ये ऐसा चुराता है कुछ और फिर वो फ्रूटी वाला आता है, काम करो फ्रूटी दे दो, वो दे देगा. And the monkey took the fruity, removed the plastic straw वगैरह ऐसा मस्त पैकेट टोक टक करके, and then he just
मैं देखा है तुम लोगों को करते हुए. I am also evolving without the tension of trying to survive.
क्या ट्रिप रहेगा उसके लिए, because it's sugar. Fruity is sugar.
Yeah. Neurons just fired.
Mango and sugar करके.
Hey, इंसान लोग मस्त चीज किया dude. This is the best thing. Yeah.
They just get addicted to it.
It's just looking at a person and now scanning. What can I rob?
They look like a cokehead or a meth head ऐसा. कुछ भी कहते किधर है fruity किधर है यार, मेरे को चाहिए.
How are they not attacking that fruity wala already? They're at that stage of the addiction.
I think that might be the next headline.
Fruity wala gets attacked.
See, we've been talking about a lot of different topics. If you want to suggest something, watch us trip on a particular topic, then mention it in the comment section. All right, we'll make a list and we'll have a section, a segment. All right, that
All audience suggestions.
हाँ, तुम लोग का भी
Listener
मतलब
episode type.
get involved. This is an interactive podcast.
Yeah, this is fun.
All right. So what would you want us to trip on? Mention it in the comments.
And talking about interaction, hit like if you've been enjoying
and
this.
share also.
Share also, yeah, of
And
course.
subscribe.
Tell people also.
Subscribe.
But like also.
Subscribe. That face was what my face did
When you heard this news.
first time I read this news.
Oh man.
Reality TV has a great way of surprising you from time to time. From American Idol to that Indian Idol.
This is beyond surprise, bro. This is not surprise. This is just you go, like
This
a
is-
melting of emotions.
You are testing the boundaries of what is acceptable.
Oh yeah.
That
For
is what
sure.
you are doing. A person who's completely out of ideas and lacks ounces of creativity, lacks it, evaporated. Creativity has evaporated, then you come up with this idea.
Yeah.
I'm speaking about a reality show in the United States called
The Activist.
The Activist.
Yeah.
The judges are Usher. He's the one who got Justin Bieber into the world. Like he produced
Fucking
Justin
second
Bieber's
mistake
first.
this is of yours, Usher. Bastard.
But-
How much? How much? Okay, anyway, let's talk about
he's
that.
there.
There's him. There's Priyanka Chopra Jonas,
Yes.
who is our
Who is just
national
taking
mistake
that?
now. It
No.
seems.
Here you have to understand
Oh,
the
gosh.
agent, the PR, and
Yeah.
the image equation coming into the picture. she's trying to own the I am an immigrant, but I've made it, but I'm also a beauty queen, and now I'm only going to be doing Hollywood mostly.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm in the Matrix.
So I have to behave like I'm in the
I'm
West.
in the Matrix, and it's not a pun. There's an actual movie, and I'm in it. I'm not in the Matrix. I'm in the Matrix. That sort of a thing. She is happy, but she's in the trailer also. In
Yeah,
fact,
yeah,
they
she's
used her face on the thumbnail for Indian trailers.
Yeah, just to like trap. Imagine Matrix Hollywood using Priyanka Chopra to catfish us, all of India.
Yeah. You're looking at 1.3 billion people. They want a face. Okay. So she's there. And who's the third one?
There's some Dancing with the Stars. What's the name? Julianne Ho or Hogg or Hough. Figure it out.
Yeah.
I have a name
Julianne.
Noel Cordero, and I should be good at this, but I don't know. Her name is Julianne. She became a household name because she was on Dancing with the Stars, and she was a choreographer. So you know she really knows how to climb that fucking pyramid.
Yeah.
Alright, she made it.
ऑलरेडी एक जज या पार्टिसिपेंट थी रियलिटी टीवी शो में
हाँ.
और अभी ये इधर आई जज
हाँ.
एंड द प्रेमिस इज
हाँ.
सोशल एक्टिविज्म.
Yes. All the participants are going to
You
be
think
social
there is something
activists.
fucked up with the society? What are you ready to do about it? Give me 3 slogans which will work in 3 demographics and you get 5 points.
The more likes you get, then you go into the next round. So let's
You are-
hope that people care about child hunger.
let's think how they came up with this idea.
Huh.
What is there a lot of in this world? Suffering. Is there diversity in suffering?
Yes.
Would people like to change it?
Is it relatable?
No.
Is it relatable?
Would people like to change it?
Huh.
Yes. Will change actually happen?
No.
So let's make a show out of it. That was what happened.
Do people like watching change kind of happen? Yeah.
It would feel so bad if you are facing a problem, say homelessness.
Yeah.
Okay, you're a homeless person
Huh.
in the US. क्योंकि अभी US में show है. And you're watching this reality TV show because you're a homeless person in the US.
हाँ, okay.
You have a phone.
हाँ,
Of
okay,
course,
okay,
dude.
correct.
You
Online
are-
भी होना चाहिए ना उनका बराबर. Yes.
You are looking down on the homeless of the US, huh?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
They are on the internet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Please like the video.
Yeah, that is our market. Homeless people.
Homeless
वो भी US का homeless.
Yeah.
इधर का भी नहीं.
Yes.
They are watching. Hey, you're a homeless person in the US. You are watching this, and there is a participant who has chosen your cause
Yeah.
for that week
हाँ.
and has come up with really good ideas.
हाँ.
And for those ideas, the judges give the participant points.
हाँ.
He wins
But nothing happened.
$100,000 का check.
Yeah.
You know, he stars in Priyanka Chopra ka new show or whatever. And I'm still homeless. What is the point of this show? Am
The
I
point-
getting advertisement money? No. Am I getting something out of this? No. And there was the backlash.
Yeah.
The
It's beautiful.
Sweet.
This is where left-wing Twitter like did its job.
No, not just left wing. Any like the
No,
the
but like it
internet.
had a nice left-wing taste, is what I'm saying. After taste of it.
हाँ, मगर I don't think it's like it's a bipartisan thing.
हाँ.
Even the right wing people are like, "Yeah, चूतिया समझाएगा पागल." Nonsense.
कुछ
What
भी
is
डालेगा
this?
क्या टीवी पे? चल कुछ रेसेस लगा please.
And it is very easy for them to react because once you are reacting, you're the better person.
हाँ.
You know, it's like so.
हाँ.
And all the 3 judges का skeletons in the closet moment
हाँ.
happened.
Came out. Yeah.
Past में क्या क्या हुआ है क्या क्या नहीं हुआ है. For
सब
example,
निकला.
the dance choreographer once had a blackface moment
Yes.
where she's a white person.
She's a white person who dressed up as a black character from.
Julianne.
She dressed up as a black character from Orange Is the New Black. and
For Halloween.
the worst thing is she dressed up as Crazy Eyes, who is known to be a weird character. So not only a black character, also a mentally disabled character. Like everything wrong, and people just piled on her like
और
crazy.
तू एक्टिविज्म करेगा तू बताएगी कि अरे ऐसा नहीं वैसा नहीं. You know, Priyanka Chopra again.
Of course. She once said Jai Hind to armed forces when they bombed Pakistan or something. So that's wrong for
So
people
you like
outside.
bombs, huh, Priyanka Chopra? You like bombing people, huh? You applaud that. Is that it?
You enjoy violence, huh? Oh, well, so that shit came out. Asher ka, I don't know what happened, but like
He's black.
Every baby must be like, तेरे वजह से मैं पैदा हुआ.
Yeah.
Oh, that must have been the skeleton in
Yeah.
the closet.
So either way, huge amount of backlash.
Yeah.
And it would be interesting to see how this feeling, emotion, reaction economy works. Because guess what? No matter what, that old showbiz saying,
Any
no,
publicity
any
is
publicity is good publicity.
Oh dude, they are counting on it. They are like, dude, लोग गुस्सा होके देखेगा तो देखने दे.
And the best way out of this is you can just flip it on its head. This was an experiment to see the true face of America, and the true face of America is kind. We feel and we stand with the rest of America.
Guys, activism can work in America. That's the message.
We just wanted to wake up the activist within you.
Using Priyanka Chopra.
Exactly. There are movies, Noel, and then there are movies. Movies which become events.
Yeah.
Right? I'm speaking about after a very long time, the news of a movie has gotten me excited.
Yeah. I'm going to be rediscovering it though. For me, it was
You
this.
all are aware of it. You can see the code now.
I hope he's put the code, but like, Matrix is happening.
You get what I'm saying?
Matrix!
Choose the pill.
Yeah.
Red pill or blue pill. You know that movie? You know?
I just wish we could have like two different videos right now. Tell the audience to choose the pill and two different ways just to go with the
Just to go with
with the whole Matrix thing.
And you are not the only person because the marketing department behind Matrix
Oh, shit,
also
dude. They went
realized the potential.
Oh,
This is when you there is some genius in picking the right thing to work with
From the whole
from
body
the
of
whole
work
product, from the whole body of work,
Shit,
and that
dude.
is what this marketing person has done.
Yeah.
The way they ended up showing the trailer was first you had to click and choose
Whether you
between
want
the
red
red
or
pill or
blue.
the blue pill,
Huh.
you know, and then you get the trailer.
Yeah, and the trailer starts, and it seems that every hour it changed. Like there's about like 1,000. तो अलग-अलग लोगों को अलग-अलग trailer मिला है. Like it's going in the thousands.
What a
This
psychological play with
just
marketing.
to fuck with you and just make you go wow.
Yeah,
like
just to
you
excite
go,
you.
oh my god.
Exactly.
इतना सब तुम लोग मेहनत किया इसके
Build
लिए.
a conversation around the movie.
ये अच्छा marketing है. क्या? And
दुनिया-
प्रियंका चोपड़ा is in both.
सिर्फ देश में नहीं दुनिया भर का पब्लिक बात करना चाहिए इसके बारे में. And it is a movie which, of course, there have been 3 movies and I have seen them. The first one I saw when I was in the military school, boys hostel.
Oh shit.
और उसके लिए हम लोग I was, yes, ladies and gentlemen, 2 साल के लिए. And 5th standard, 6th standard, okay, and I was in 6th standard at that point of time. And we had to play a volleyball match with the teachers to choose between Hollywood and Bollywood.
Oh my god.
So the 2 options,
This is like a Hollywood movie.
the 2 options, like if kids win, we get a Hollywood movie. If teachers win, we
Bollywood
get
movie.
Bollywood.
That's a good deal. Yeah.
And the choice was between Matrix and Raju Chacha. Those were the choices. And
Ajay Devgan, dude.
the trailer for Matrix had already come out because तभी दिवाली का हम लोग का वेकेशन होके हम लोग आया था वापस. तो सब लोग घर पे था तभी मैट्रिक्स का ट्रेलर देखा है टीवी पे वगैरह और सब बच्चा लोग अरे क्या है ये? Because it was revolutionary. The visual effects, how the action is happening was unseen. You know?
People in trench coats walking around with sunglasses. How cool is that?
Everything was just dripping with like style and cool, and the way choreography was done. It was very new. You know, it was one
Was
of those.
the bullet time
Yes,
wala scene
yes,
in the trailer?
exactly, yes.
Oh
So
shit,
him
dude, that must have
bending.
blown your
Yeah.
mind. So sorry.
No, it is.
Yeah.
I am agreeing with you. That was my face. There was no reason for you to say sorry. That was my face, like shocked. You know? Ki, damn, dude, you can do this in movies.
Yeah.
So all the kids had started preparing for the match
Huh.
a week before because we had a meeting. All the kids like कि कुछ भी करके हार नहीं सकता है ये मैट्रिक्स देखने का है ब्रो.
Oh shit, now we are coming for them. Like jugular पे ले.
मैं सब चकली वगैरह लेके आया. अभी दिवाली का फराल का खाना भी है सब लोग के पास. मजा करेंगे, चिल करेंगे. Let's just win this match. We'll watch the Matrix and we'll, you know, because they put a bed sheet and then a projector. That was it.
Yeah.
And after we saw that movie for close to 2 months straight, every week some kid broke a bone.
Just trying to jump.
Because there is this scene, okay, where they are in the dojo,
Yeah.
right? And Morpheus and him are training, and he runs
Flips.
and flips. And for some reason, a kid said कि मैं कर सकता है. You know that moment where you want attention.
I just need to free my mind.
No, it's not even that. You want attention. You are in 6th standard or
Yeah,
something.
I mean,
You
that's
want to
it.
be the cool guy in the
Yeah.
classroom, and it's a boys' hostel. So egos are already like, arre, re, re, you know. So for
like उसने तेरे को रबर नहीं दिया. Does he think I cannot do the matrix wall jump? That motherfucker, I'll show him. Like that's the level at which you're functioning.
But he underestimated how fucked up every other boy is in that hostel. Because you know what we did?
What?
All of the dormitory people, we decided a time where we sat as audience. तो तू 9 बजे करने वाला है. And that kid did not eat dinner because he wanted to, you know, stay thoda empty, light. I want to stay light, ऐसा करके. And it is a stone building. The hostel was Shahu Maharaj's
Yeah.
palace. He had gifted it. मतलब बनाओ रे school. ऐसा type. So it was a stone British time का इमारत.
He gifted kids the one thing they don't want.
Yeah. And like full Hogwarts type था थोड़ा छोटा Hogwarts. And this fellow, we are all sitting as audience. सब लोग पैजामा में वगैरह ऐसा full ऐसा wow ऐसा public. कोई तो ऐसा पैसा
वगैरह लगा, हाँ, of course.
betting वगैरह मतलब काय का betting होता था मालूम है कितने ये सुबह का गुलाब जामुन या फिर शाम का
अच्छा,
मैं
अच्छा.
जीता तो
Prison
तेरा गुलाब
food का.
जामुन मेरा वैसा वाला betting. And everybody is sitting and this fellow, you know, he intent, clear expression like कुछ भी करके मैं करेगा Matrix, Neo, I believe ऐसा करके वो hype कर रहा
I know kung fu.
He ran, he took a run up and whatnot, he ran and it was all like happening in slow motion to an extent and he took like a big run up. And then if this is the wall, okay, he ran, he started well. Here people gasped like he's going
हो
to
जाएगा,
do
हो
it.
जाएगा.
And then when he reached the 4th step, no, gravity came into picture, and all we saw was him. And he tried to run up the wall, and
He realized
fell.
Matrix is set in hard mode right now.
He just fell on his back. Just fell on his back, and for at least 2-3 months that we had an assembly announcement by the teacher.
Acha.
Please understand difference between movies and real life. Principal had to come and say, "मर जाएगा गधा लोग बंद करो ये."
I think the principal would have just like given a red pill in the morning assembly, told the kids to like नहीं बदला ना, नहीं बदला ना, यही है reality गांडू लोग.
करो जूता पॉलिश.
यही है
नियो बनने का मेरे को.
Want to be the one, you will be one of million.
तेरे टीचर का नाम कुलकर्णी है, मिस्टर स्मिथ नहीं है. ये ना. I have done the homework, Mr. Smith. Nonsense.
I can see angles and all in maths.
Really excited to see how they go through with it.
Yeah, dude, for me though, I watched Matrix when I was a kid only, so like I didn't understand it. I was 5-6 years old or something, so I asked my cousin who was probably your age and she just said no, he goes into a video game. That is the explanation of Matrix. That was the explanation to like the best movie in the world.
That is similar to मैं अगर तेरे को बोलेगा ना कि चाट का दुकान पे लेके गया और तेरे को नमक खिलाया.
Yeah, that is it.
That is
exactly वही हुआ.
It has karma as subtext. It has philosophy. It
Dude,
has
it
who
has
you
coming
are,
out and whatnot with
oneness,
this, yeah.
all sorts of
पूरा
things.
बुद्धिज्म वगैरह सब
सब लिया है वो.
वीडियो गेम मेरे बच्चा वो मरता नहीं है. That is it. But it will be fun to see Matrix come out because and we need Matrix right now because this is the part of history where everyone hopes that we are in a matrix. I hope the world is fake. Like that kind of situation.
I'm that bald guy from the first movie who has seen the real world and then goes to
Morpheus.
नहीं Morpheus के साथ काम करते रहता है.
हाँ.
Cyprus
Yeah,
नाम है
Cyprus,
उसका.
yeah.
और वो
Cypher था ना?
हाँ,
ऐसा कुछ है, साई कुछ.
वो जाके ऐसा एजेंट स्मिथ लोग को मिलता है और ऐसा स्टेक खाते रहता है और फिर ऐसा you know I'm eating this,
I missed this.
but I know it's not. You know, it's not real. Like, I don't want to know that. That is what I feel at the moment. Like, I know there is a pandemic, there is lockdown. You know, I don't want to know that. I don't want to. बहुत हो गया. कंटाला आ गया. So if there is a red pill, courier कर दो. Send it to email it to radicalmeasurespodcast@gmail.com.
भेजो please.
I'm taking that. I would like to download the red pill.
चलो.
Speaking about trying to find different ways to entertain yourself.
Yeah.
Another thing that has created a lot of internet hype
Yes.
is
Lot of
release
hype in the heart also.
a lot of desire.
Yeah.
All of that.
Like financial goals have changed because of this.
Because of this. Certain games on PlayStation 5
Huh.
have had their
Reveal.
reveal
Like the
trailers.
jhaki has come.
The
Ki-
reveal trailer launch has happened. It's a convention, na?
Yeah.
Every year it happens.
PlayStation Showcase happened recently in 2021 and they just like इक्के पे इक्का फेंका वो लोग, like, you know, कि ये ले मजा आ रहा
What
है, ये
they
ले.
were trying to tell is, don't worry. If the pandemic goes for another year also, we have you covered.
चलेगा.
We have you covered. Just order our product. you remember, na? You're
Yeah,
talking
yeah.
about financial goals changing.
Yes.
And in one of the previous episodes,
Yeah.
you had gone ahead and mentioned that you're quitting gaming.
Yeah, I packed my PS4, kept it in the mala. I haven't touched anything. I haven't touched a... देख, कैलिसिस गया है इसका.
अभी PS4 बिकेगा
हाँ, बहुत ज्यादा, बहुत हार्ड बिकेगा वो.
और PS5 आएगा.
Oh man, dude, I can't. Haptic feedback. I need it.
The three biggest titles
Yes, that have been
that
released.
created a huge amount of noise.
Oh man.
Wolverine,
Yes.
because everybody wants to cut people up.
Yeah, everyone wants to be that macho.
हाँ कि मैं मरना
Alpha
नहीं
male
है.
simulator.
हाँ, alpha male.
Alpha male simulator.
Wolverine is basically that.
Yeah.
You want to be alpha male? I have
am.
a simulation for it. So Wolverine तो
Wolverine
public
has
full
happened.
बौखला गया because there was some mention of Hulk being a part of
Yeah.
it. तो public बोल रहे अरे Marvel का सब IP अगर आ गया तो क्या हो? My God.
Especially after they just hug out that Avengers multiplayer
He'll
game
be
and all, they were
fighting-
like, no, ये अच्छा है. Wolverine
He'll be
मस्त है.
fighting X-Men.
Yeah.
He'll be fighting the X-Men universe. What other universe can he can go into Fantastic Four universe? What other Marvel IP?
All of those. Deadpool can come in for all
पूरा
you care.
पूरा
dude.
comic book
हाँ.
दुनिया पूरा अरे full man.
उसका वो हो
Then
गया.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man 2 came out with Miles and Peter Parker both.
Yeah, both two Spider-Mans.
Both are there.
We
And
get the
Venom.
black guy, we get the black Spider-Man, we get the white Spider-Man. You get both in one game.
And Venom. You're like, how many Spider-Man do you want? Take.
No, and see, because PlayStation 4 का जो Spider-Man था, that was the white guy Peter Parker Spider-Man. Then you had Miles Morales. Miles Morales Spider-Man was again PS4,
PS4 पे भी है, PS5 पे भी है.
PS4, PS5 दोनों पे
दोनों पे
आया.
आया, हाँ.
And now the new one is not is both put together
हाँ.
and Venom.
Yeah. करो
And,
मजे.
and the whole marketing team must have like just thought about Venom का trailer निकला है just अभी
Yeah,
movie
Venom
trailer
2
live
का.
action with Tom Hardy तो उसका already थोड़ा
गया.
बहुत
और
ये क्या बोलते हैं उसको movement
हाँ, momentum मिल गया.
momentum मिल गया in marketing word momentum मिल गया so that we have
And
running.
Sony, same company, everything, synergy, corporate, yeah.
All the Sony board members must just be going like, oh my god, we are going to make so much money. They must have just heard the audience reaction. Ah! And that is them just thinking like the numbers changing in there.
King. 1 million sales in a day.
ये लोग सब लोग खरीदेगा, सब record तोड़ने वाला है.
Oh, dude.
So
but
those two games had come out, and then the third
the
game,
final one was
something that I am excited about.
Boy.
After I saw this trailer, okay, of this game ka trailer, I immediately went to my phone book and started looking up all the people I know who live in US. It's time to start the conversation again.
time to smuggle a PS5.
कोई है क्या, आ रहा है क्या, ब्लैक फ्राइडे कभी है ब्रो, जा रहा है क्या?
please fight for me. Mercenary.
हाँ
Black
रे,
Friday पे
because
झगड़ा कर.
जैसा तू बोला ऐसा ट्रेलर देख के तो बहुत मन हुआ.
हाँ. God of War का ट्रेलर by the way अपन लोग बात कर रहे हैं. Boy का ट्रेलर.
Oh, that game.
that is like
if you
next
think
level.
Wolverine is going to make you feel macho, oh my
God
god,
of War
that
is next
game.
level macho,
That
dude.
game, if you play after one gaming session, hair chest grows. you become man. Testosterone increases. It's
You
just
walk
madness.
around like you own the world.
हाँ.
because
क्या
because,
रे?
because that is God of War. Every story you are getting back at your dad.
हाँ.
उससे ज़्यादा manning चीज़ है ही
It
नहीं.
correlates with Indian kids.
Yeah.
Another level only.
Beating up my dad. Oh, Rajita, but nice dude. God of War, I can't wait. This
And it
this
is such
bringing
a
me back to
game.
gaming.
Where you are a god fighting other gods.
yeah.
तेरा नसीब का जो भी भड़ास रहेगा ना,
हाँ.
why is this
चुदा तू.
string of bad luck? रुक आता है अभी पूछने को तेरे को. दे अकाउंटिंग दे क्या है? गॉड ऑफ वॉर.
क्यों है ये दुनिया ऐसा? आंसर दे साले.
You can just look at a god and say, boy.
फेंक के मारेगा मैं.
Very excited, very excited. Hopefully we are able to afford it.
Yeah.
Second hand
now
to
this
second
is
hand.
I've realized this, dude. A gaming laptop all is what led me to get my first job. Buying a gaming laptop, buying a PS4 kept me at that job. Now buying a PS5 will make sure I win an Emmy.
It's such
that
a
shit is gonna
fun
happen.
thing. No?
Yeah.
You just plug it in and then joystick like
हाँ.
it's just such a fun thing
Dude,
to do.
I'm
You're controlling another character and making him or her do things that you want to.
Huh.
You know, with a
Ultimate.
joystick.
This is the closest you can get to the Matrix.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're there.
There.
Oh, buddy. Sometimes, you see democracy working in action.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Really?
Unfortunately, not in our country.
Acha, okay. Is it nearby?
Yes, very nearby.
Very nearby.
In fact, it's a country we made happen. It's
Oh,
Bangladesh.
It's Bangladesh. All right.
Bangladesh has democracy, which is kind of news to me, I'll be honest. I mean, it has a good democracy, crushing it, by the way. Economy and all, everything is going well of ours.
Yeah.
Now, they had a very social faux pas kind of thing happened in Bangladesh ka parliament.
Something
One of the
happened in
something
the
happened.
parliament.
Yeah, weird thing happened.
Huh.
This minister, goes up on stage, presents a bill.
Yeah.
He has a proposal. Proposal is, I'm going to solve unemployment in Bangladesh.
Big
Nice,
deal.
no?
Big deal.
If you
Good
have,
promise.
if it's a good solution, maybe even we need it. But
Yeah.
point is, so his proposal is, working people are marrying working people.
Wait, what?
So working people,
Huh.
employed people are marrying employed people
Okay.
because they meet at work.
Yeah.
Okay. He's saying ban this. This will lead to working people marrying unemployed people.
So this minister
Hmm.
started with a proclamation that I have a solution to unemployment.
Yes.
And then he said employed people
Hmm.
should not marry employed people.
Yeah.
That means they will have to compulsorily marry unemployed people.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that will solve the
Unemployment problem. I don't know how he connected this. I have no clue. In fact, the way we are right now, even Bangladesh ka parliament was that way. For 2 seconds, then they started laughing at him. That is where democracy works. They just laughed at him. The law minister was like, yeah, I can't ruin my record by allowing this bill to become a law. And they were like, this is freedom of speech in action. He can
The
say whatever he
whole
wants.
point of seeking employment
Huh.
is building a better life,
Hmm.
having better things in terms of just standard of living will get a bit better.
Yeah.
I'll be able to give better things. And if I'm marrying an employed person, it makes it that much more easier.
Twice as much.
Yes,
Huh.
both of our ambitions are the same. घर चाहिए,
हाँ.
vacation चाहिए,
Yeah.
गाड़ी चाहिए. Let's share the burden.
How will you have a conversation when you go and see a girl or a guy?
So this fellow's basic solution was a single employed person
Huh.
after getting a job and job letter from HR
Huh.
should just go outside the company, see a female भिखारी
Yeah.
and say चलो हो
चलो.
जाओ, चलो अपना sorted
हाँ,
है,
हाँ.
मेरा job भी मिल गया है, चलो अभी मेरा घर पे shift हो जाओ,
That is it.
सब सामान वगैरह लेके.
He's like, start social work the moment you get job.
Do you think this minister will come back to the parliament?
Oh, I think he will. The confidence with which he said, no, he has a lot of that.
उसने जो हिसाब से जो solution बोला है ना,
हाँ.
आई थिंक वो सिक्योरिटी पर्सनल भी क्रॉस करता रहेगा ना ऐसा बाहर, इवन द गार्ड्स विल लाफ ये क्या है.
क्या सर, आप तो बहुत हक दिए आज.
ड्राइवर भी चलाते हैं, सर थोड़ा सोच समझ के बात किया कीजिए, नाम खराब हमारा हो रहा है, ठीक है.
बाकी ड्राइवर लोग मजाक उड़ाते हैं सर.
10 जन को मालूम है हम आपकी गाड़ी चला रहे हैं, ठीक है. सोच समझ के बात कीजिए प्लीज.
मेरी बीवी बोल रही है कि अब वो घर पे ही बैठेगी. मेरी लग गई है. आप अगर बढ़ाओ.
आपके वजह से हमको अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट परवड़ेगा, ठीक है. आपका एम्प्लॉयमेंट नहीं चाहिए, हम अनएम्प्लॉयड रहेंगे, चलेगा. आपका नाम और हमारा नाम साथ में नहीं चाहिए.
प्लीज नहीं. मैं तो रेफरेंस भी ना दूं. is a good guy.
Arre re. Of all the things you could have said,
हाँ.
of
Stupid
all the
things,
things,
everything.
I think sick leave पे है ना वो अभी नहीं जा रहा है वो काम पे,
Dude, मतलब
अभी नहीं जा
वो
रहा
लोग ने हर फुटेज मिटा दिया है उसका. There is no footage of it available. That's how embarrassed they are. कि
उसका
छी.
क्लिप वायरल हुआ रहेगा बांग्लादेश में.
ऑफ कोर्स वायरल हुआ रहेगा और फिर वो लोग ने पब्लिकली निकाल दिया. बांग्लादेश का पब्लिक ऑफ कोर्स तेरा उधर का पॉलिटिक्स वगैरह में चल जाएगा. बट सॉरी नॉट हैपनिंग. बाहर का पब्लिक को नहीं पता होना चाहिए कि अपना डेमोक्रेसी का ये हालत है. एंड इज लाइक अ न्यू गाय. 2018 में वो कुछ इलेक्ट हो गया है फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. तो इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक इसको मालूम नहीं.
An internet age politician.
Yeah.
That makes sense. Say something ajib,
Hmm.
something that who is anyway going to speak about Bangladesh parliament otherwise.
Yeah.
So let's say something ajib so that I stand out.
Oh yeah, he was like, I'm going to be the Donald Trump of Bangladesh.
Oh yeah.
Today you are laughing at me. Tomorrow तुम सलाम ठोकेगा.
Okay. Tomorrow you'll vote for me.
Yeah. Because I will start saying such stuff that you'll suddenly be like, अरे it makes sense. Why would he keep talking if it
ये
makes sense?
सबसे ज्यादा entertaining है.
हाँ,
बोल bro.
yeah. कुछ नहीं तो न्यूज़ पे मजा तो आया है.
Oh God. Guess what? He should not go to the parliament again. He should go to an open mic. He should just start stand up.
I think that is what is happening all around the world, where comedians and politicians are both confused where they are supposed to go. क्योंकि political comedians आ रहा है और comical politicians आ रहा है. That's always going to happen. And that chap तो will, yeah. That chap needs his YouTube
He already has tight 3 minutes at least.
Yeah, minimum.
Minimum.
He can open.
He just has to read his bill.
Yeah. और कुछ नहीं.
A new Harvard medical study has found out that if you press the like button and subscribe to the Radical Measures podcast, you live 2 years more.
Press the like button to end hunger in Ethiopia.